Hello! We are back in our ugly sweaters and our ugly antlers and beautiful headgear to make some Pop Rocks chocolate bark. So what you'll need, a 10-ounce thing, Toll House, whatever, semi-sweet, melted.
And Pop Rocks.
Remember Pop Rocks?
I've had since the 80s.
10 packs of strawberry Pop Rocks. And we are going to spread the chocolate straight into our mouths.
Yes.
No, that's really what we want, but okay. Oh. Okay, we are gonna spread it out like I'm gonna do like they do on the cooking shows, and they make it look so good. As thick as you want your peppermint, well, it's not peppermint bark, strawberry Pop Rock bark, like that. And then we are gonna sprinkle the Pop Rocks on top, and we're gonna let it cool. Oh, it's actually, can you hear it? It's popping. Remember the story, like if you ate Pop Rocks and then had a soda,
yes.
you would die?
Yes. Let us know how that goes. If you
Okay, so look
There you
how
go.
pretty this looks. So it actually does look really pretty. We're gonna let this cool and we're gonna break it all up and we might have to eat it. Enjoy!